Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So in today's video, we are going over the top mistakes that new Instacart shoppers make, or even seasoned Instacart shoppers make as well, that maybe they just don't realize they're making these mistakes, which could get you deactivated, and they could also just lower your pay and, increase the time you're working and getting less pay, right? So we're gonna cover all this. Before we jump in, I wanted to tell you all, if you're looking to make extra money, there's an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating something called a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing for over 5 years now, and it changed my life. I have a link below to learn how to do this, but just showing you my YouTube earnings from one of my YouTube channels. So far this year, I've been able to bring in, it's only May, over $50,000 so far. And if you jump into last year, you can see on my channel, on one of my channels, not this one, but a different one, I've brought in over $120,000 in 1 year. So that's over 10,000 bucks a month. So if you want to learn how to start a faceless YouTube channel, I have a link below to join my program. Again, this is something I've been doing for 5 years now, so I'm really confident in the product, and I just know that so many of you guys watching this right now could make life-changing money if you follow the steps, actually put in a little bit of time and effort into making a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need experience, you don't need a following, you don't need to show your face. I've already taught so many people in my own life, in real life, and I have people literally asking to meet with me. Hey Dylan, can you teach me how to do this? So that's why I set up a tutorial online, and right now there's a 30-day free trial when you sign up. So you can try it out, no risk, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it. But I hope you'll stay, because I'm gonna guide you through it and help you out. And yeah, hopefully I do know that many of you guys who join will have success with it. Okay, so here are the top mistakes that Instacart shoppers make. Again, I am a Instacart shopper. Well, technically, I think I've been deactivated at this point. So, yeah, but that's another story for another day. Okay, the number one mistake is that Instacart shoppers, what they do is they accept huge wholesale store orders. Shopping at places like Costco and Sam's Club. By the way, this article comes from the rideshareguy.com. Shout out to him. Go check out his blog. Okay, shopping at places like Costco and Sam's Club can be trouble if not done right. My limit is only 8 items and 10 to 15 units. So why is it hard to shop for a ton of items in multiple quantities efficiently, and sometimes it's hard to fit in your car? Yeah, I just saw a post of a woman who she took an Instacart order and it told her to pick up 150 bags of mulch from Lowe's. And she's like, I drive a Prius. How the heck am I gonna fit 150 bags of mulch in my Prius? So make sure before you accept an order, make sure you can fit all the items in your car. Delivering to a different delivery address. Yeah, that's a huge mistake. If you accidentally deliver to a wrong address, you could get fired for that, because the customer, they're not gonna get their groceries. Number 3 is shopping for businesses. 90% of veteran Instacart shoppers refuse to do it, and there's a good reason why. Businesses don't tip, and they treat you like an unpaid intern. They'll demand you bring everything up, put it in a certain location, ignore you, and not tip. Just avoid them. You'll know it's a business because it looks like a Monopoly hotel piece on your app. Watch the video to see what it looks like. Parking in a tow zone. Just do not park in a tow zone. Yeah, if you're dropping off and there's nowhere to park, just, don't park illegally. That's the reality. You do not want to risk getting towed. Don't park in red. If you, imagine you get a $300, $400, $500 ticket for doing something this, or your car gets towed while you're delivering. Yeah, that goes all your earnings for the whole week. Accepting triple or large double batches. I personally don't take triple batches or even large double batches. I like to get groceries one at a time and make deliveries one at a time. It can be stressful to organize and even deliver large multiple batches, and watch out if you have frozen food. Just avoid it altogether. Yeah, I kind of disagree with this one. I like the double batches because you get paid more. You don't have to drive as much, right? If you're going to Walmart already, might as well get, you know, to hit 2 birds with 1 stone. That way you're, you know, getting paid for 2 batches with 1 trip. So I always like to minimize my miles. So if you're, you know, the less driving and the more you can make per mile, the more profit you're really making after expenses. Getting more than 3 cases of water. This seems really weird, but people seem to enjoy buying tons and tons of cases of water. Why they just don't have Sparklets deliver, I don't know. In the this is coming from somebody who I personally order bottles of water. Well, I don't anymore because I have a big, what's it called? A thing in a water filter now in my fridge. But I used to order water, and the thing is, guys, water is something, like bottled water is something that you can really never get enough of, or at least some customers who drink bottled water can never get enough of it. Lasts forever. Sometimes people want to order 5 cases of water. The reason is because sometimes there's a if you order over a certain dollar amount, there's no delivery fee. So sometimes it's like, well, what do I need more of? And you're like, well, I'm gonna need more water bottles eventually, so let me just add more cases of water. That's why people are doing it. This person doesn't wanna, I don't mind carrying cases of water. For me, that's easy. I kind of treat it, it's like kind of like a little workout. Like, all right, taking the case of water. I don't really mind it, but you know, if you don't like, yeah, this person, she said she was 5 months pregnant while delivering cases of water. Yeah, obviously it depends on your situation, but for me, and I know many of you guys are buff, strong. It's the reason why you're doing, I mean, it kind of comes with the job. Anyways, just, yeah, that if, but obviously, you know, do what's best for you, you know what I mean? So those are the main mistakes that Instacart shoppers make. One bonus one is not using Solo. So Work Solo, my friends, is actually a company. I have a link below where it integrates with Instacart, where if you can sign up basically for little shifts. I'll just show you on my laptop. This is how it works. If you by the way, and if you use our link below, you get 10 bucks when you link your account, any gig account. But you can like clock in for this little Instacart shift here, and it says in that hour you will make $21.30. Well, if you're shopping for Instacart and you don't make that amount, Solo will cover the difference. So Solo is really good. They also track all your mileage, and they also help you do your taxes. Well, you can file your taxes in Solo. Solo is like the best finance, you know, app. Like over 450,000 gig workers use Solo. I personally love Solo. A lot of our audience members use Solo and love it. So check out the link below for Solo for Instacart shoppers if you want. That's kind of a bonus mistake that this article didn't cover. But other than that, guys, yeah, those are the major mistakes. Definitely don't be breaking the rules. Definitely don't be driving around in a brand new car. You don't want to, you know, your car's going to get damaged. You're going to put a lot of miles on it. Use an old, crappy, used car if you can. What else? Don't shop with other people. You're not supposed, you have to shop alone. If you shop with other people, you could get deactivated for that. I mean, do it at your own risk. Otherwise, those are the main mistakes. Again, sign up for my link below right now. There's a 30-day free trial to start a faceless YouTube channel. It's a great side hustle to do while you're shopping too or doing a gig, because you can do it right on your phone. And again, just to show you guys little proof, my screenshot of my earnings. The only reason I'm doing this is for proof, so you guys aren't like, you know, I've been doing this for like 5 years, so I can go, I have several channels. I have 3 monetized channels right now that all bring in, you know, tens of thousands of dollars per year. This is so far this year on one of my channels, and last year 120K. I mean, this is how I really was able to buy my house that I'm sitting in right now in Southern California. You know, I'm just showing you different days, over $1,000 in a day. Anyways, if you want to learn how to do a faceless YouTube channel, I'll teach you how to do it, because I've been doing this for 5 years. So I feel like, you know, learn from somebody who actually does it. Don't just, you know, follow some online guru, some fake guru. I don't know. Anyways, check that link out. 30-day free trial. I'll help guide you through it. And we also have a private group chat in there too, where we can interact and you can message me and everything. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. We'll talk soon.